Industry 4.0 has led to a shift towards cloud-based solutions in manufacturing, enhancing agility and flexibility. By 2025, digital manufacturing is expected to be a significant part of the entire IoT market. However, this shift presents challenges, such as quality control inconsistencies, equipment maintenance issues, production bottlenecks, and supply chain disruptions. To address these issues, a centralized manufacturing data and analytics platform is needed. Key components of cloud-enabled manufacturing operations include a three-tier architecture, operational technology security, and an analytics edge. A well-defined architecture can handle diverse workloads and complexities, ensuring smooth IT/OT integration. The choice between on-premises and cloud-based solutions depends on the volume of data and the faster turnaround time for insights. For benchmarking manufacturing operations, creating a digital twin of the plant, and reporting on and improving sustainability, cloud-based solutions work best. On the other hand, on-premises solutions are better for digital work instructions, inline quality inspection, and asset/process predictive maintenance. To navigate the journey towards cloud-enabled manufacturing operations, organizations should define the scope, assess applications, define ROI, and adopt a migration strategy. The Hackett Group study on 600 manufacturing organizations found that migrating to the cloud reduced unexpected IT and manufacturing downtime, improved supplier management and sales efficiency, increased customer satisfaction, and enhanced business agility and innovation.